Hey guys, Anwar Beck here from Tesla Geeks. And yes, today's a special day. This is our friend John, lives in Austin. We're doing a test drive of his Model 3. So John, tell us, when did you get the Model 3?
September 22nd.
And what do you think about this car?
It's fantastic.
So the interesting thing about John is this is his first Tesla. Usually the people that are buying or getting the Model 3s are Tesla owners. This is his first, so he's going from a conventional vehicle into a fully electric Tesla. So how has that transition been? You've been driving this car for almost 4 months.
Yeah, no, it's gone so well. We actually ordered a second one of these things. So it's a fantastic car. I can't wait for the world to really get their hands on it because it is a game-changing
So
vehicle.
what are your top 2 or 3 favorite parts of this vehicle?
Wow. I think the interior, the design, the layout, the simplicity, where things are, how they function, the steering stack, and the controls, it's brilliant.
Yeah.
It's just perfect. It makes any other car feel weird when you get into it, not having it done like this. So it's really good.
How about autopilot?
It's fine. I like it driving slower than I do highway speeds.
Yeah.
So I think it's something that's still being improved upon. But in traffic, it's great.
I'm assuming you get chased down by people all over Austin. How's that? How's that been? Because this is a vehicle that not many people have access to at this point.
All over Austin, Dallas, wherever I'm at.
Yeah.
This is a unicorn. So
Yeah.
people love.
So you have to allocate at least 10-15 minutes a day to kind of
Pretty much.
showcase, explain the Model 3. I'm assuming.
Pretty much.
I guess I'm doing the same thing today.
That's right. The mirrors open up and all that before you get to the door.
Yeah, the Alcantara is really nice on here. And this is that latch that people accidentally can pull on to open it. But mainly it's, I guess to open you press on this button here and then kind of push the door open. And this is the fully loaded package with long range, the premium package, everything. So if you guys are thinking of buying the Model 3 for the family, you can see it in perfect use over here. John's got 2 child seats in the back of this 3. And definitely you got the popcorn and the footprints on the back of the car.
Yeah.
There's 2 USB dongles here. The top is awesome, man. I love that view.
Yeah, it's cool.
And same here. You have the window. You guys saw that it doesn't go all the way down on here. So we're getting to look at the Model 3 frunk. I'm really excited actually about these little latches. I think this will be super useful. So when you head over to the grocery store and you have a few bags of groceries, you can just put them in your frunk. And there's definitely enough space for all that over here. You've got 2 of those latches. And then there's a controversial trunk. I really wanted to see up close what this double hinged thing was. So you can see that because of the way this is super convenient. Look how high it opens. And John, you're saying in your garage, this thing is super convenient.
Yeah,
it opens.
It goes all the way.
All the way up, okay. Because I have issues with that in my Model X where it stops. It probably opens like 60-70%, so I end up hitting my head on it constantly. This is huge. There's like a ton of room back here, guys. There's actually, you can see a little bit of light through here.
This is a vent.
That's a vent,
because
okay.
the sub is right here.
Oh, okay, cool. And then there's actually more space. Can you open that up right there? I can show people. Cool. Ton of room. Wow. Oh, so you have an extra charger in there as well, huh?
Yeah, this one came with 2.
Oh, well, I'll get the so this area here where you can charge your iPhones, I guess you can dock it in here. Basically there's room for 2 different phones. I like how when you're driving, the lid you don't see because they did a really good design thing where it kind of hides behind the the screen here. And then in here, you can open up and you'll have a compartment for storage. And then you have your cup holders. And everything just feels good. I don't know how to explain that. Like, it's just like, it feels solid, you know? The lining. And you have the Alcantara, the black Alcantara here. And then the top is this gray Alcantara, but same material. We tested out the sound system in this car. It's incredible. Granted, this is the premium upgraded package. Here are the seats. And again, you have the 2 child seats back here. Definitely a family vehicle. Okay, so we're looking at the Model 3 key card. Let's flip it around and see what the back, I guess it just shows you how to open it. So typically you don't even need this. You just need, John just needs to have his phone on him. But you can also use this as a backup, right?
Right.
So if you can show us.
A valet key as well.
Valet key, okay.
The car is not locked.
Oh, okay. So now John is going to show us how you open the Model 3 with the key card. So he's walking up to it. Boom, the car is open. Nice. And then you're supposed to put the key card in the cup holder area, or what's the...
Yeah, when you press the brake, you try to put it in drive, it tells...
Oh, it's telling you where to...
Well, it usually does. You put it right
you
there.
basically put it right there, okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Awesome, man. Guys, it's definitely Christmas morning. I'm test driving for the first time a Model 3. Thanks to my friend John in Austin. We thought we'd capture my first reactions with it. So here we go. So just like in any other Tesla, you press the brake, put it in the drive, and here we go. Oh my God, I'm nervous. One of the first things that I was looking for is what kind of what you see in front of you whenever you're driving. You can see a little bit of the outskirts of the car, but other than that, because the nose cone is a little bit closer, you can definitely have a full view. Let's see, we're gonna go to the right here. This is definitely a Tesla, no question about it. Feel the regenerative brakes. Am I going straight?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. I'm gonna hit it a little bit, see if it's got the Tesla chemistry. Yep. Yeah. This is a Model 3 long range with the premium upgrades and everything like that. We tested out the sound system. It's incredible, guys. The drive, I've owned both a Model S and an X. I guess the closest thing would be a Model S. It's a bigger sedan, but this is like driving a BMW 3 Series. You can feel like it's a sporty drive. The wheel is a little bit smaller whenever you're driving, but it feels incredible. Super smooth. I've gotten a chance to play with a lot of the settings in here. I mean, I'm actually getting ready to, I just got an email from Tesla a couple of weeks ago, so I'm gonna be ordering a Model 3 as well. We're gonna be doing much more extensive reviews of this vehicle, but this is the first time that I've actually driven this vehicle, so I'm giving you guys my impressions. I've ridden in the car a few times before, but thanks to John here in Austin, getting a chance to drive it. So this is awesome. So we got onto a small highway here. The main thing that I'm trying to listen to right here is like road noise, things of that nature. It's super quiet. You can hear a little bit of like the tires more than anything. The AC is running normal. Like, you don't hear any of it. It's dead silent. I mean, it's basically, I'm surprised, but it's every element of Tesla is in this vehicle, which starts at $35,000. Granted, this is like the premium. This is probably closer to $60,000, but yeah, this is incredible. And the other thing that I kept watching out for is, you know, since we don't have the cluster in front of the wheel here, it really doesn't bother me that much. Whenever I need it, you can look at the speed here in the instrument cluster in the middle. But the driving it's incredible, guys. Whoa! When you punch it, I mean, I just got the 70 miles per hour in no time at all.
Take it up to 100 so they can hear the
So
noise.
John's telling me to is there a cop anywhere near? Let's see. We're going, oh my God, 92, 94, 95. 100 miles per hour. You don't hear anything. Dead silence.
It's really quiet.
You get a little bit of a rush. My heart is beating a little bit fast right now. But that was incredible. And just the whole setup, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like everything just works. It's a minimalist feel. I'm really into that like minimal design.
Yeah.
I'm sure you are as well.
Absolutely.
Like, this is incredible.
It's beautiful.
I'm definitely going to be getting a Model 3. I might actually even sell my Model X. This is incredible. I don't know how else to explain it. Like, so my initial reactions are basically like all the surfaces that you can touch and things of that nature. Everything is just premium, like you'd expect. You got Alcantara here on the side. Everything is the vegan leather. Feels really, really good. Everything is just solid. I love the where you can put your phone rest down here. There's an area where you can put like up to 2 phones. So now we're heading back. I'm gonna put the car into autopilot, which it's a little bit different in the Model 3 than in the Model S and the X. You basically have to double tap on this, and now it's in autopilot. Going 65 miles per hour. That's smooth, quiet.
Something else to mention is this car has like 8,500 miles on it now, so
Wow.
there are no rattles, no squeaks, none of those manufacturing issues that you might be concerned about for an
Yeah.
early model car.
Everything feels solid. You're right. Like, yeah, John's put 8,500 miles on this car, and it's just like, yeah, you don't hear anything. I mean, it's a luxury vehicle for sure. Wow. I'm shocked. This is speechless. This is incredible. Thank you so much, John, for
You bet.
letting Tesla Geeks first chance to drive the Model 3. This is amazing. So thank you, John, for giving us the opportunity to test drive my first time behind the wheel of a Tesla Model 3. If you guys are in the market for a Tesla Model S or X, make sure you guys use the referral code below. And definitely, you have 3 or 4 days. Basically, January 31st, Tesla's going to be doing away with the unlimited supercharging if you use a referral that we have listed for you guys. So definitely take advantage of that. Beautiful Model 3, amazing car. The best things that I liked about it, again, are feels zippy. It's kind of like this model BMW 3 Series type. It's a little bit smaller car, but I love it. I've owned both S and X, and this is an incredible vehicle. So make sure you guys go and put down a reservation. Thanks.